In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Adalo app on Play Store. We'll walk through the exact flow inside Adalo to preview your app across devices, share a test build for feedback, and move into the publishing area so you're ready to push to the Play Store. Start by opening your Adalo dashboard and selecting the app you want to publish. Once you're inside the editor, use the View App button in the top right. This opens Adalo's preview options, which are essential for catching design and usability issues before you publish. Choose Staging Preview. Staging is a safe environment that mirrors the live app's behavior without affecting your production users. It's the best place to test real interactions, data, and navigation flows. From here, preview on mobile first. Check your home screens, onboarding, and any forms or buttons. Make sure text fits without clipping, images look sharp, and touch targets are large enough. If your app supports dark mode or different orientations, quickly confirm the layout holds up. Next, switch to the tablet preview. Tablet screens expose spacing and layout problems that don't show on phones. Watch for stretched images, extra white space, and components that need larger margins. Ensure lists and grids scale gracefully, and that modal windows center and size correctly. Then preview on desktop. Even if your main audience is mobile, desktop preview is great for spotting alignment issues and long text wrapping. Confirm that buttons and inputs align on wider screens and that your typography is consistent. This is your last visual pass, so take a moment to click through every critical path and error state. When it looks solid, use Share Your Test app. This generates a test link you can give to collaborators or internal testers for quick feedback without doing a full store release. Ask them to note device type, screen size, and any steps to reproduce issues, which makes fixes faster. Now go to publishing. This is where Adalo prepares the Android build. Before you proceed, make sure you have your app icon, splash screen, and branding finalized. It also helps to have your listing materials ready, like screenshots, a short and full description, and a privacy policy URL, since the Play Store will require them. To actually publish to the Play Store, Adalo requires an upgrade to a plan that enables publishing. Upgrade when you're ready, and Adalo will guide you through generating the Android build and the remaining submission flow. With your previews verified and materials ready, you'll move smoothly from testing to publishing.